Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is...
Mimi.
And this is...
Miles.
And this is another episode of Unboxing Time, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today's a special day because Miles just graduated preschool. And we want to give a big shout out and a thank you to all the teachers and kind folks over at Sorensen. It's been a really, really great time for him, and he's learned a lot. And yeah, was it good? Yeah, okay. And we've got a box today from the USA. This is from the Fat Hipster, and he lives in Chicagoland, and he has a YouTube channel. You should go check him out. Just look up the Fat Hipster. You'll find him. And yeah, let's see what he sent on over. All right. First thing we do get in here is a note, and it is true. Black lives do matter. If you didn't know that, now you do. Wow. So the Fat Hipster likes to do mukbang as well, and we've compared notes for years on all these different spicy things that we both enjoy trying, and so he sent some stuff that I haven't tried, so I'm like really stoked. Alright, first off, we've got the new Kimchi Bulldog Bokumyeon. I don't know the Scoville unit stats on this. Looks like the export version. Yeah, I don't see... This is the international export version, not just the one for the US. But, yeah, it's got a kimchi and regular bulldog kind of combo flavor, so this sounds good. Now here's one I've been itching to try for a long time. As far as I know, this is only available like in the UK and Europe. I don't know why. It seems like it would do well here. It's made in South Korea, and it's just an extra spicy version. And yeah, this is only for Europe. It's showing like the languages on the back with the instructions are in English, German, French, and Dutch. So, hey, what are you guys doing over there? And next, this is like really cool. I've wanted these for a while, and dude beat me to it and got a whole bunch extra. So, these are wrap snacks, wrap noodles, and these are made by Master P. They have different wrappers on them. Like this one has E40. Sorry, E40. I probably heard your stuff, but I have no idea who you are. Yeah, Icon Ramen Noodles Beef Prime Rib flavor. That's cool. We got one with the man himself on the lid, Master P. I think he's the one who says I'm gonna go. This is a creamy chicken gumbo flavor. So that's cool. And finally, we have Boozy. I don't know who Boozy is. I mean, I know about a bunch of rappers, but the only ones that I really dug listening to was Ice Cube, and I like J. Rude the Damager. Who else? Biggie. Big's cool. Of course, the Dr. Dre, Snoop Dogg stuff. I mean, and God, well, leaders of the new school. God, who else do we like? We like Wu-Tang. And then kind of, yeah, I like the Beastie Boys too. But that's kind of like apples and oranges, you know. But hey, we've got Boosie with his Louisiana hot and spicy chicken right there. Yeah. All right, well, cool. Big thanks to the Fat Hipster for shooting this stuff over. Thanks for watching. This has been Hans, and this has been...
Mimi.
We all want to wish you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.